So synchronous and asynchronous can refer to mechanisms of data transformation and data replication. So let's break these two down. So synchronous is continuous streams. I'm just going to mark that there. Continuous stream of data that is synchronized by a timer clock, so you get a guarantee of time of when the data will be synced. You can only access data once the transfer is complete. You get guaranteed consistency of data returned at the time of access, slower access times. So here is the data. And if you're thinking about strongly consistent, that is what this is. This is going to be when things are strongly consistent. Then we have asynchronous, so continuous stream of data separated by a start and stop bits, no guarantee of time, can access data anytime, but may return older versions or empty placeholder. Faster access times, no guarantee of consistency. Here it is. So you see it's moving in bits, right? And so the idea is that we can access any time in between here to get maybe up-to-date data or not up-to-date data. To solidify this, let's put in some scenarios. So a company has a primary database, but they need to have a backup database in case their primary database fails. The company cannot lose any data, so everything must be in sync. The database is not going to be accessed while it is standing by to act as a replacement. So the reason why this works is that, if you have a backup database, you have to make sure all your data is one-to-one. Then on the other side here, a company has a primary database, but they want a read replica, a copy of the database, so their data analytics person can create computational intensive reports that do not impact the primary database. It does not matter if the data is exactly one-to-one at the time of access, because in this scenario, it's like any time the database goes down, you want it up to date to the second. And on this side, it's like they might run reports once a day, whatever. So, there's always new data coming in. It'd be too burdensome to make sure that the data is always up to the second. So there you go.